Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered an exclusive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to control its fan commitment stage, Sotheos.com. Chiliz has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the organizer and CEO of Chiliz. He has north of 20 years of involvement establishing and developing online organizations. Before sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intelligent travel guide, and Winamax and Chili Poker, both web-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business person who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to disturb the customary games industry. Since its send-off, Sotheos.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage controlled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices by means of a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through Sotheos.com's e-commerce store. What is Chiliz, CHZ? The Chiliz stage was made fully intent on giving fans a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers prizes for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Sotheos stage is as of now utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their number one group. It likewise offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiliz, CHZ, Fundamental Analysis. Chiliz is a cryptographic money zeroed in on fan commitment and the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chiliz is Sotheos.com, a stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token offerings, FTOs, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The Sotheos.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chiliz coin, CHZ, to make secure, straightforward, and unchanging exchanges. The utilization of blockchain likewise takes into consideration quick and effective installments between parties. Exchanges on the Sotheos.com stage are controlled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chiliz coin, CHZ, is gotten from its utility for of the exchange on the Sotheos.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token offerings on the Sotheos.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Furthermore, as additional individuals utilize the Sotheos.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it more straightforward to change over into cash. Associations. The Chiliz Group has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atletico de Madrid, Paris Saint-Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, OG Esports, Galatasaray SK, and some more. Chiliz, CHZ, current price. Chiliz is as of now worth $0.214295. CHZ has moved -5.25% as of now with an exchanging volume of $484,002,410. Chiliz is as of now positioned 441 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,274,631,176. Chiliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2022. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year, CHZ. The CHZ cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0.321443. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.300014 and cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $0.257154. Chiliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Chiliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $0.535739. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the CHZ's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.428591 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.471450. Chiliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.750034 and CHZ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.685745 and a low of $0.642886 in 2024. Chiliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2025. In the event that Chiliz effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2025. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0.964329, with a base cost of $0.857182 and a typical cost of $0.900041. Chiliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.11 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.07 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, CHZ has a greatest value worth of $1.18. Chiliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2027. Because representing things to come organizations